Let's see what's inside this ball. Wave your magic wand and let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at all of the numbers and all of those great colors. Okay, will you help me put them back on the board? I really need your help. Let's go. Wave your wand and let's pick a number. Let's choose this one. It's the number 5, and that looks like it's dark blue. Where does it go on the board? Oh, we need to count the dots to make sure we have the right one. Let's see, I think it's this one. But let's count the dots and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that is the right one. Now let's find the rings. Where are our dark blue rings? Here they are. Okay, help me count them as we put them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You did it. What about our dark blue shape? Let's see. It's right here. It's a plus sign and it's dark blue. It goes there. You did it. That was fun. Let's do another one. Move your magic wand and that one. That's the number 3 and it's orange. Where does it go on the board? Well, those are some orange dots. Should we count and see if there are 3? 1, 2, 3. Yes, that is right. Now let's find the rings. Do you see 3 orange rings? Right there. Let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. Great job. Where's our orange shape? Oh, it's over here. It's a greater than sign, and it goes right there. It's orange. Wave your wand and let's pick another number. The number 8. That's it. It's yellow. That's the number 8. Well, those are dots. Let's move our wand. But let's count them and make sure we have the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those yellow dots are for the number 8. Help me find the rings. Oh, this one's easy. Look at all of those yellow rings. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job. Oh, do you think you can help me find the yellow shape? It's right there. And it's a triangle. It's yellow. Where does it go on the board? Right there. Now let's wave our wand and choose that one. It's the number 2 and it's pink. Where does it go? I think it goes over here before the number 3. Help me count the dots. 1, 2. Yes, that's it. Now help me find 2 pink rings. I see them back here hiding. Okay, let's count together. 1 and 2. Good job. And this is our divide sign. It's pink. It goes right here. Let's choose our next number. That one. What number is that? It's the number 6 and it's light green. Let's count those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. There are the light green rings. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You did it! What about our green shape? It's a hexagon and it's light green. It goes right there. Next, let's wave our wand and choose our next number. That one. You know what number that is. That's the number 1 and it's purple. Let's put it right here because I know that's 1 dot. Where's our 1 purple ring? Right there. And let's count together. 1. What about our shape? Where's our purple shape? Here, it's an equal sign, and it's purple. Let's wave our wand and choose our next number. There, it's the number 4, and it's light blue. Well, why don't we count and see where we're at? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where it goes. 4, 5, and 6. Let's look for blue rings. Can you see blue rings? Right! Let's put them on the peg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job! Don't forget, our light blue shape, it's a minus sign. Wow, we're almost done. Let's wave our wand and choose that one. It's the number 9, and it's orange. It goes here after the number 8. Now let's find our orange rings. Are those orange? No, those are red. Over here, these are orange. Okay, there's a lot of rings. I'm gonna need your help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great job. Here's our orange shape. It's a circle, and it goes right there. Circle. We only have 2 left. Wave our wand and let's pick that one. It's the number 7, and it's dark green. It goes right here. Let's count those dots just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we're right. 6, 7, 8. And I can see those green rings right there. Okay, let's count them and put them on the peg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wow, we're almost done. And our star shape. It's a dark green. It goes right here. We only have one more number. It's right here, the number 10. And it's red. Let's put our rings on. Let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And here's our red shape. It's a square. It goes right here at the beginning. Count with me from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! What happened? The number blocks came to help us count, but they're all mixed up. We need to put them in the right order. We just counted 1 to 10. Now let's do it with the number blocks. Where's number 1? Right here, 1 block. Let's put him right there. Next is number 2. Where's number 2? There! Let's count the blocks to make sure we're right. 1, 2. Great! What's next? Well, we just did 1, 2. Now we need 3. Which one of these number blocks is 3? You're right, he's right there. Let's count those blocks to make sure. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Next is number 4. Can you point to number block number 4? There! But let's make sure. Put him there and let's count his blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. You did get it right. Next is number 5. Which one of these has 5 blocks? There! I think that's number 5 because look at the number on top. Okay, let's count the blocks just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did it again. Next is number 6. Which one of these number blocks has 6 blocks? Yes, that's the number 6 on top. Let's count and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you did it. Next is the number 7. Which one of these number blocks is number 7? Can you point to it for me? Right, here he is. Let's put him up and count him. Wow, he's really tall. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is the number 8. Which one of these is the number 8? Yes, you got it right. Let's count the blocks and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Now we just need 9 and 10. Oh, look, they're right there. Okay, let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, that's right. Put them up. And now for number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did it. Look at all of those number blocks and you counted all of the numbers and circles. Great job.